Okay, so you've just received your Kinect, so I'll just show you a few tips on assembly. So first of all, we screw the trigger grip into place. Just like that. We push the buttons down and we can rotate the handle so the device can be held. So you can also have the device sitting on the desktop just by swinging these legs round and repositioning while pressing the buttons, and then repositioning the handle. So we'll just leave it set like that at the moment. The next part is a tablet holder, so you want that facing backwards again. That just screws into place, and then you can unlock it, slide this up, and then mount your tablet in place. Lock it back off again. Just tip that forward to balance the unit up. Then we've got two battery packs, one that accommodates 10 AA batteries and one that accommodates 8 AA batteries. We recommend using the 10. It doesn't come supplied fitted with a cover like the 8, and the 8's also got on and on off switch. So you mount the Velcro to the side of the unit, and then at the front of the unit the power goes in. We also supply, if you want to use it by desktop, this power adapter. We usually have ones that suit different countries, but in most cases we'll provide a 3-pin. So finally, we'd usually have an adapter on here, so it plugs into the relevant port. In this instance, the tablet's got a micro USB, so we provide an adapter so that can plug straight in. The reason we put the full size on is so you can link it up to your laptop if you wish, and so that actual cable can be adjusted, it can be retracted back inside the unit, so it's a lot neater when the micro USB's in place. So disassembly, so taking off the tablet, so if you want to move things around, so peel off the battery pack, and then finally close up the tripod, open it out and spin it round. One thing we didn't mention, on the bottom of the tripod holder, if you on the pistol grip, if you want to mount a tripod, so you've got the whole unit mounted to a tripod, you can actually mount to that. So that's how the item will be shipped. Any problems with assembly or running the software, just look at our other blogs or get in touch and ask a question. Thanks.